And track Tom Cruise has been creating waves on the music scene. Let's hear more from Don Andre and his new track.
See you a pagan, them man they chat rubbish. Waste man, this beat is lethal like Bizzle. Them man are washed up, shizzle. It's no joke like riddle. She won't get high, MD, Dizzle. Backside every shot, like Matrix, everybody.
What kind of doors has the song Tom Cruise been opening for you?
Whole heap of doors. Internationally, locally, globally. Places that I used to only dream of. So I'm forever grateful. I'm overwhelming feeling, but I'm still humble at the moment, yeah.
Tell us though, who exactly is Don Andre?
Don Andre, that's a normal ghetto youth born in Kingston 13, Jamaica, Waltham to be precise, between Waltham and Brownsland. Migrated to London in 2003. And yeah, I'm just a hard worker, love music, family orientated, intelligent, controversial, all these things. All heap of elements make up Don Andre.
Though, what sets you apart from the crowd?
My sound, the British accent. The sound, nobody don't have that sound. I'm the first to actually do that, to have done it. That makes me different. For you hear me, you know Don Andre that. You can't say, oh, I wonder for that are separate from my side. Cause you know, apart from having the British accent kind of style, I have like the authentic Jamaican side as well. We're just versatile, we're creative, we're different. That's just Don Andre. Make me different from everybody else.
Yeah. What else can we expect from you? What's coming up next? What's the follow-up to Tom Cruise?
Oh yeah, look out for my next single entitled Jug. Look out for that, it's mad. It's similar to the Tom Cruise, it's the follow-up, but it's actually a dance as well. It's called Jug. So just imagine the whole jug motion. So that will be releasing in April. The video and the song we out simultaneously, same time. We'll drop it. You see, a lot of people on my Instagram is saying, oh, Don Andre, oh, you only got one song. What we're gonna come with something or what? People understand it's a process. I produce my own material, you know. KMG Records. So we produce a Tom Cruise song, we produce the same Neil Eye song. There's some other producers that I'm working with at the moment. You don't know me, I got my own engineer that's producer, AR-15. You have a producer named Smoothface as well in London. That's my brethren, that's his family. I got some works coming out with him. Bina in Jamaica. And we have a whole lot more producers looking to work with Don Andre right now. Big up Team Don Andre guys, you know, Cher, Renee 630 and Nikisha. So honestly, when I first had the track, I know quite a lot of the main selectors out here, like the Boom Boom, you know, the Matter and the Rich Feeling. So Boom Boom all the time say, yo, Don Andre, the song bad, but you need someone in the streets to demonstrate this Tom Cruise song. Because it doesn't make sense I'm just playing the song and nobody knows what it's all about. Because the style was different and fresh at the time.
Tom Cruise, I really think damn Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise, I really think damn Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise, I really think damn Tom Cruise. Ray-Ban, watch me in the dance in my Ray-Ban.
The A-Bar restaurant at Springs Plaza in Kingston was the location for the launch of Jamil's Where Were You and Great Man music video. Let's hear more from Jamil and about his video.
Do you remember me? No, I don't. Where were you when my mama hungry? My out. Yeah. Do you remember me? Me no recall. None of them never make a call till them get a...
It's a 2-in-1 video. Where were you and Great Man? You know, Jamil music video, them always stay still. The video always depict what the song has said. But this one is like a mini movie where everybody will check out. But, you know, Mama's Boys film deal with it, and you know what them do? Gain the world with your mind, number one.
Where were you? What's the song talking about?
It's basically talking about people who basically see the fame right now, what's happening right now, and wasn't there in the beginning. As you know, we are youth where our music depict life, you get me? It's a life experience, so it's just another song where I deal with reality, you get me? Great Man. Over the years, we see when great man rise and the more see them fall. Marcus Garvey, Mandela, you name it, even Bob Marley, Peter Tosh. You get me? I say, people try to break you down mentally, even when them know you do the right thing, them try to break you down. But for youth, we have confidence, not too much though, because you know you can't have too much confidence, but who bless no man cares at the end of the day, see it? So you know, we're up on the scene for a very long time, and finally I get the recognition. You know, working with Quantium Records, we have a great chemistry together, and it's working and the world I feel it. You get me?
What's coming up next for you?
album coming out in June. And you don't know, we have UK tours coming up also. A lot more music video with Mama's Boys Film car. We have a great chemistry also. Yeah. Well, it's an album that's going to be produced by Jamil Music times Quantianum Records. You see me, so we have a great chemistry. You know, them produced my first #1, which is Gain the World. And I mean, I feel that me and them have a great chemistry and choose to work with them on this one.
Mentally, they want to break me down. But me listen to every sound, yeah. Cause I'm a king, they want to take the crown. Just put my feet on solid ground, yeah. No, them don't want me up the strength. I'ma lose my confidence. Success never happen by accident.
When we get back